Good morning guys. So today we just had our breakfast and I will show you the whole property tour of this place. So this is the road from where we came on the first day, and this is like the entrance, and the same road is continuing till the other end, and we can have a walk sometimes here. So now let's get into the property. So we are entering right now, and there are many rooms on the right hand side. And my parents are staying in this room, like there is a sofa in the front, and now this is the reception and we are entering into the reception. I actually skipped the reception area because some people were standing over there. And now this is the car parking area for who are actually putting up in the domes. Okay, this parking area is particularly reserved for the dome residents only. Now there is a staircase and we are coming down, and now we will be crossing this dome area because entry is strictly prohibited for other residents. We came forward to the children's play area, and this is a very beautiful play area made only for small kids. So there is a small tent on the side where children can enjoy, and they can play any stuff they want, and it's quite cozy and beautiful. And there are some swings, seesaws and slides, so children will have a very nice time in this park. Okay, so now coming forward, so here is the swimming pool and here are some plantations. So this is sort of a canal made, and water is flowing from a pipe into the canal, and there are beautiful fishes swimming in that canal. And then there is the sitting area for the swimming pool, and as well as inside there is also a sitting area, some sofa where you can sit and enjoy the pool view. And if you go up through this staircase, but with caution, so here there are no railings, okay? So watch your steps while climbing the staircase. Now once you're up here, so this is the clubhouse, and there are many indoor games like the table tennis, billiards, indoor football, etc. So kids are enjoying the table tennis and they are playing. Also you have a sitting area at the back where you can watch when other people are playing the game. Okay. Here again you can sit and watch the swimming pool. Okay, so this is a pool view corner, and so this is the billiard board, and also you have a swing here, okay, where you can sit here, you can read a book and feel cozy anytime, or you can watch the pool. So also we have a sitting area at the back side, so let's go there. So from the clubhouse, this is the sitting area which I'm talking about. So we can sit here also if we want. My kids are there, husband is also there, and I'm sitting here peacefully.
I have chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor, and strawberry flavor, and mint.
Okay, give me vanilla flavor.
Yes. Okay. Okay, let me take vanilla flavor.
Thank you.
Hello.
Ja, ja, hello.
Chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream.
কে বসবে? বস ওর সঙ্গে, একজন বস ওর সঙ্গে। হ্যাঁ। রাজার ও বস। আচ্ছা ও বসুক। হ্যাঁ। So after our swimming, we came back to our hotel rooms, and from the balcony, we saw that my dad was flying the drone. Yeah, so we were just laughing over that. এই আমাদের ঘরে ঢুকিও না। এই বাবা। So that's how we spent our day two at Wayanad Le Villagio, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. See you in the next one. Bye bye.